Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to sign up to your Khan Academy app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already installed Khan Academy app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Khan Academy app. Here we go. Here you can see sign in button in the middle. Tap on that. Now here you can see different options. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple or using your email. Here I will be using my Facebook account to sign up to Khan Academy app. So I will be tapping on continue with Facebook. Now all you have to do is tap on continue. Tap on open. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on continue. Again you have to tap on continue. Here you have to select the language. After you are done, you can go back. Here you can see that I have easily signed up to Khan Academy account. In this way, you can also sign up to Khan Academy app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.